Mixing 535 horsepower with world-class athleticism, this sophisticated Mark III Roadster is a literal case study in what made the original Shelby Cobra endlessly appealing. And with names like Superformance, Tremec, and Ford Racing on its spec sheet, this car will outperform just about any classic on the road. This Roadster Superformance body utilizes high-quality hand-laminated fiberglass to create a rock-solid drop top that provides a first-rate driving experience. Those stiffly reinforced panels feature the smooth surfaces and typically tight gaps we've come to expect from top-tier Cobra builders. And those clean aesthetics found conservative titanium metallic two-stage under a roster of show-stopping details. Inside, the builder continued the theme of respecting classic form. Low bucket seat stretch pleated leather hides under 4-point safety harnesses. A wrapped dash frames a locking glove box and a combination of Smiths and Lucas gauges. Sleek carpet floats Cobra-themed floor mats around a polished handbrake, a driver-oriented shifter, and a polished fire extinguisher. And the driver spins a classy wood rim around an AC centerpiece and matching AC foot pedals. Tilt the tidy hood and you'll find 460 cubic inches of stroked Ford Racing Cobra jet that makes a claimed 535 horsepower into 530 pound-feet of torque. Getting that power to the rear wheels is a Tremec 5-speed that spins an 8.8-inch rear with posi traction. Well assembled, thrilling to drive, and ready to deliver the ride of your life, this Cobra is sure to satisfy anyone who has a pulse. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.